So now we will start lesson number 21 and it is about Mad and Madda letters. So that's mean in this lesson we will learn two rules. But about the Madda letters we already learned in the previous lessons, right?
Yes.
So we just recall it here and then we go for the Mad and then we start our lesson. So quickly tell me how many Madda letters we have?
Three.
Three, very good. And can you tell me the names are?
Alif,
Mm,
Madda, Wa, Madda, and Ya, Madda.
very good, excellent. Do you know how many times we stretch the mother letters?
We stretch it one time.
No,
Two.
2 seconds. Okay, the 1 second we only stretch for movement signs, means which letter has fatha, kasra, dhamma. That letter we stretch 1 second. Okay, but for the mother letters we stretch for 2 seconds. Can you tell me the definition of alif madda?
When Alif has one, when Alif has no sign and the sign before it has Fatha.
Very good. So then we call it alif madda and then what we do?
Say the sound for 2 seconds.
Yeah, the previous letter we stretch for 2 seconds. Very good. Now tell me the definition of Vav Madda.
When Wow has a leaf, when Wow has Fatha and the sound before it has Kasra.
No, no, no. Let me repeat the definition of Vav Madda when Vav has sukoon on it, not Fatha.
Whoa.
Okay, when Vav has sukoon sign on it and the previous letter comes with Dhamma, so then we call it Vav Madda and now we stretch the previous letter for 2 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, now what is the definition of Ya Madda?
When Ya has
Yes, come on.
when Ya has Kasra,
No, you can see the example as well.
when Ya has what's I don't know
Is
what
it
that
is it is it kasra?
no.
No, so why are you saying when ya has kasra?
I didn't see her.
See, this is the same sign I told you in the previous word when vav has sukoon. So this is the same when ya has sukoon.
Mm,
Okay, when ya has sukoon and
the letter before it has Kasra.
hmm,
Okay.
yes. So then we call it ya madda. Now read this word.
Ba
Very good. Next.
ba B ba.
Okay, now we have the mud sign. Okay, so this is the sign which always comes on the top of the madda letter. Like when sometimes you will see alif madda, vav madda, and ya madda, and sometimes you will see the mud sign on the top of the madda letters. So whenever you see this sign, which we will call a mud sign, on the top of any madda letter, so then we stretch it for 4 to 6 seconds. Like we stretch more if we see the mud on the madda letter. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's repeat it. Like whenever we have a madda letter, alif madda, vav madda, ya madda, so then we stretch for 2 seconds. But if we have mud on it, so then now we stretch it for 4 to 6 seconds. So that is the longest sign we have, like the sign which we have to stretch more. That is the only sign, this one, which we will call mud sign. Or we can also call it long mud or mud prolongation. These are also the another names for this sign. Okay.
Okay.
There are few more mud as well. Okay. There are like mud lazim, mud muttasil. So inshallah ta'ala that mud, the categories of that mud we will learn in the Quran because those are a little bit tricky and little bit hard for understanding. So that's why we will learn those mud in the Quran. But for now, whenever you see the mud, so you can call this sign as a mud or mud prolongation or long mud, and you just need to stretch it for 4 to 6 seconds. That's it. The mud
Okay.
doesn't have their own sound. Okay, the mud doesn't have any sound. The purpose for that sign is to stretch the letter for 4 to 6 seconds. That's it. So how gonna we read this?
Ba.
Excellent. Reading.
Boo.
Hmm. Next.
E.
Hmm. Okay, next.
C. Wait. Sa.
Yeah, don't stretch more than 2 seconds because here we just have a alif madda. We don't have mud on it, right?
Yeah.
So stretch only for 2 seconds.
Da.
Yes. Next.
Su.
Next.
E.
Next.
Da.
Very good. Next.
Su.
Next.
Si.
Very good. Excellent. Next. What did
Ba.
you say? Hmm.
Ba. Ha.
Yes. Excellent. Next.
Ja. Ha.
Very good. Next.